Good Tuesday evening. Southeast Texas could see a round of stormy weather coming up on New Year's Eve day as low pressure and associated cold front move through the area. We expect sometime during the day that we will see a round of thunderstorms. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. But right now we're looking at a slight risk of severe weather. That means a 15% chance of severe weather. It also means may not see anything except for thunderstorms. I'm very certain we will see rain and thunderstorms coming up on Thursday. Hopefully we can have that severe weather bypass our area and we just get rain. What does a slight risk mean? Well, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of 58 miles an hour or greater, hail of 1 inch or greater. I don't think we're going to have a problem with that. And isolated tornadoes. And I think there's a potential for that. It's damaging winds, the main threat out of this, will give it a moderate risk of that happening. And again, some isolated tornadoes are possible. A lot of rotational energy and wind shear in the atmosphere that could create the potential for the development of tornadoes. Otherwise, a very small, marginal 5 to 10% risk of flash flooding expected this go round, as we expect 1 to 3 inches most locations as far as rainfall. Some 4 to 5 inch totals are possible. A lot of uncertainty as far as exactly when the line moves through. I'm going to show you 4 different models. The global models are showing, well, the thunderstorms by 3 p.m., maybe the line just entering into southeast Texas. That's the GFS. European shows pretty much the same thing. Line just moving in roughly around 3 p.m. Now we take a look at the high resolution models. And they show by 3 p.m. it's already over into southwest Louisiana. That means it would move through roughly around 10 a.m. This is the NAM model, and this is the graph model. Same thing. So there's a big discrepancy between, say, 10 a.m. and about 3 p.m. as far as when the line is coming through. So until that happens, there's quite a bit of uncertainty exactly when those storms will affect our area. Otherwise, we are very convinced that we're going to see wet weather coming up on Wednesday and Thursday. This is due to a very strong trough of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere. That trough is going to cut off and form upper level low pressure over northern Mexico. When it ejects in through central Texas, it will take on a negative tilt. Most troughs have this brown line, this trough action, off to the south and west. This is going to be more southeast. So that's a signature that we look for as far as the potential for severe weather. So there is the potential. It's not a guarantee, but there's a potential. Tonight, southeasterly winds are going to be very breezy, and that means temperature's not going to cool that much. As humidity levels continue to increase. Could see some spotty showers in the lakes area as temperatures drop maybe to the upper 50s to near 60, and in the triangle lower to perhaps mid 60s. Then tomorrow we'll give it about a 40, maybe 50% coverages in the triangle as well temperatures rise into the low to mid 70s, and a 50, 60, maybe 70% coverage in the lakes area. On the Gulf of Mexico, exercise caution for choppy seas around 2 to 4 feet in your coastal marine forecast. On Wednesday, we'll see southeast winds at 10 to 15 knots. Our forecast tonight, mostly cloudy, cool, humid, and breezy. Lows upper 50s lakes. Again, maybe an isolated spotty shower there, and in the lower 60s in the triangle. Then tomorrow, going to be a windy day. Winds gusting 25 miles an hour. And again, there's the potential we may not see quite as much rainfall tomorrow. I'm going to be cautious on this as far as going to 40 to 50% coverage in the triangle. May not see that 70% coverage. Suffice to say, there'll be scattered showers on radar tomorrow. Then Thursday will be the big day. Exactly when these models line up, we'll have a better indication of when the line will pass in through southeast Texas, anywhere from 10 a.m. to maybe 3 or 4 p.m. One thing I am certain of is that the rain should be out of here by midnight as we welcome in 2021. Again, everybody getting rain, 1 to 3, maybe 4 to 5 inches possible. Again, damaging the winds, the main risk. Beautiful weather as 2021 materializes. We're looking at lows in the 40s, highs in the upper 50s. Great weather lasts right on through the weekend, and then temperatures start moderating as we head into early next week. May see a few showers by next Tuesday. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com. Stay safe. Have a fantastic Tuesday night.